Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the MKB Captain. Today in this video we're talking about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a design. It's confirmed by the leaked case render. Just a few days ago, one leaks released a render of the Pixel 4a. Today image showing off the protective case of the phone confirmed the design, and we kind of wish they did not. The square camera just does not look right with a single camera, especially since the camera is in the bottom right corner of the square and the LED flash is in the top left. Will not the other way around have been better? Not that the face-like arrangement on Pixel 4 is perfect, but this look even wilder. The Pixel 4a is expected to have a 5.81 screen, and they may be to the only mid-range Google phone this year, as the large Pixel 4 XL is reportedly a no-go. Of course, even if the pros faults, the camera on the XL model will not have been any different. Anyway, the case render seemed to confirm that the design element we have seen previously, a punch hole camera and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. The 4a is expected to be unveiled on the Google I/O 2020 conference in early May this year. In December, we seen the Google mid-range Pixel 3a dual provide to be a real hit with users who do not care about the latest flagship spec but want a solid camera experience and stock Android. A new set of render courtesy of All Leaks is giving us our first look at the upcoming Pixel 4a, which bring the familiar Pixel 4 design with a few twists. So what we can expect from the Google Pixel specification in future? There is not a lot of information around the Pixel 4a and the 4a XL available yet, but we can expect the handset to launch at Google in 2020 developer conference in May. That means a launch in the first half of the year. It should come in a usual white and black as well as purple color. Thought the company may add another color to the mix to keep things interesting. Maybe orange from the Pixel 4 is could be plotted here too. The smartphone should come with at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, along with a mid-tier chipset, perhaps the Snapdragon 730 or the 765 series option. Apart from that, we can expect the Pixel 4a to feature a 12.2 megapixel camera on the back and maybe 5G, considering in 2020 in this year the next generation touch is going to go globally. There is still no words on the actual spec, so we will have to wait for more clues. Keep in mind that this is an early render and it's by no means the final product. According to speculations, we should see the Pixel 4a launch during the Google in 2020 alongside the next version of the Android. So guys, this is the current update about the Pixel upcoming for the Pixel 4a and the 4XL. Let's see in May what we Google done. So hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. Let me know your thought in the comment section. Are you waiting for the upcoming Pixel 4a mid-range phone or not? I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.